You know those recipe blogs that start with a beautiful story? The childhood memory, the family tradition, the cozy kitchen moment before you get to the actual recipe? Those stories are lovely. They give the recipe heart and personality, but sometimes you're just trying to figure out how many eggs you need. That's what browsing your website can feel like for someone who can't use a mouse. They have to tap through everything. The logo, the menu, every single link, before they can reach your actual content. A skip to content link is kind of like the jump to recipe button for your website. It helps users get straight to what they came for, and adding one couldn't be simpler. At the top of your HTML, inside the body tag, just above your site's main navigation, add this line. You can place it right above your header or inside it. The important thing is that it comes before the primary navigation. The link points to your main content area, so make sure your main element has a matching ID. Then, in your CSS, make it look however you'd like. Just hide the link by default and make it visible when it's focused. In other words, when someone uses the tab key to navigate, the skip to content link should appear on screen. This way, the link only shows up when it's actually needed. One tiny link to implement, one huge impact for accessibility. If you want help adding a skip to content link automatically, try Ally. Scan your site for free today and see how Ally by Elementor helps you make your site more accessible.